Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the paper of Bhartiya Darshan. Before starting this, I want to share something. For information, we are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. Here, the question number that we are discussing here in the paper. So, in the paper, you can see there are total 6 questions. First three questions you need to write in the 40 to 60 words, and after the three questions, 4 and 5, you need to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 you need to write in the 500 words. This is the project based question, and each and every question has an option. So if you want these question answers, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, you can contact us.